Today, the team event at the Tokyo Olympics has started. China Liu Shiwen withdraws from the women team event after suffering an elbow injury at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Games. The Chinese Olympic Committee has informed the Tokyo 2020 LOC that Liu Shiwen will be replaced by Wang Manyu. The International Table Tennis Federation has reviewed the document and confirmed the replacement. Hong Kong could not find an answer to counter France's aggression as they fell 3-0 in their round of 16 men's teams clash. Team China couldn't have asked for a better start to the men's team event after completing 3-0 win against Africa's sole representative in Egypt. There was no stopping horse Japan in the opening round of the women's team competition, with the number 2 seed crossing to 3-0 victory over Hungary. The Republic of Korea, who was seeded 4th in the men's team, underlined their credential with a 3-1 victory over Slovenia. If nothing wrong happens, the Japan women's team will join the Chinese women's team in the final. For the men's team, the Japan team will play the German team in the semi-final. China's men's team will play against Korea's men's team in the semi-final. So the final game could be China vs Japan or China vs Germany.